Alright, got 2012 Subaru Impreza. I'm gonna try to check the brake pads. They're loosen up. This one, break this one free. Yeah. What we're doing is we're loosening this top bolt so it will pivot. I'm gonna take the bottom one out to release it so it can pivot. Size 14 on Subarus and on the Hondas. No cheater action here. So this will swing up. Now you can see your pads. Oh my goodness. Just heck it. On this episode of Almost a Mechanic, you're going to learn the most important fact of all. You can back up so you see me too. No job is simple. And every job is going to take 4 times as long as you think, usually. Oh, that's out there quite a way. You see how far out that is?
Yep.
Man, in this episode of Almost a Mechanic, we're gonna go out this piece of crap. What used to be a brake pad and show you. There's like nothing left of this son of a gun. Yeah. Look how skinny he is. Old Italian grandma would be yelling at him, "You're too skinny." Right, we're gonna need a screwdriver, which is up on my car. You can go grab it quick. Man, so at first, because he heard a scraping noise, I thought it was just this rust ring that he's been taking off. He's already filed off a bunch of a rust ring. You brought me a Phillips, you dummy.
Very funny.
Actually, it's reversible.
I know.
Get all the hate comments. He caught on my dummy! Oh my god! Cancel him! I really need him with a bigger screwdriver. But yeah, the freaking pads are shot, man. You ride your brakes all the time? They're totally gone. There couldn't be any less brake pad wear if you took an angle grinder to it. So, see, and zoom in. This is what he has taken off. You can still see the ridge. So, in this episode of Almost a Mechanic, we're going to have to finish getting this off because I don't think he's got a new pair of rotors. But I think he do got a new pair of pads.
Yes.
So we will get the freaking pads changed, I guess. Look at that. Holy moly. See, that's what you're hearing too, along with all this creeping. That little tab.
Couldn't that sound a little earlier?
Yeah, well, probably was. Probably had your rock and roll music so loud it couldn't hear it. Anyways, that is that. We'll
pause this and be right back.
Pause this video. Oh, look at these.
I can paddle in my car.
So, also, when taking brake pads off, you got to take this little rider off. Pad rides on this. Sure, someone's in the comments gonna tell me the correct name. Got a little secret for you. I don't give a crap. Well, I'm sure someone in the comments gonna tell me the correct name and who invented them and all that cool stuff. Which, hey, that's cool and all, but I don't give craps. So, anyways, once those suckers off, you really got to see the rust in here. Look at the rust in there. Oh my gosh. Probably just as bad on the backside. Oh my gosh. Yeah, time to just pull the whole hanger out and clean it good. Oh my gosh. That would entail 2 more nuts cooperating to come loose. And I probably think that's not going to happen.
Correction, the rotors cost $71 for the one that I got to fit in my car.
Maybe that would fit there, man. Maybe this is this size. Oh. Alright, gotta take this for a second.
Yes.
So, I don't know what we might be doing today. Oh. So many mechanics out there screaming, "No, you need an electric impact or air impact." You're savage. That's our channel isn't called Mechanic. It's Almost Mechanic. I gotta see if that name's been taken or not.
Yep.
Probably check it out before I post this video. Some a-hole steals my idea.
Yeah, I might just have to order my rotors off of Rock Auto.
Oh, that's why you always buy a tool that's guaranteed for life.
Yep.
It's really from Harbor Freight. I was gonna lose your mind. I tell you, they ask no questions and we tell no lies. It's like a Kid Rock song. You just take your crap back and, well, 95% of them do. There's one in a night in New York that managed an a-hole, but hey, it's not his fault. He's just born that way. Well, I'm giving him a benefit of the doubt. He's just born that way. Yeah, look, he's thinking, oh, wow, it moves. Yeah! Like in a Dodge Ram. Woo! Yeah, should do. Just wire brush crap out of this. That was out in the open. I mean.
Yep.
Really, I guess we didn't have to take it off. But, you know, it'd be nice to get it all nice and clean. And.
Yep.
All right. Holy crap. See, now you can get to that, too.
Yep, you want to take this so I can show them?
No, I'm going to pop my trunk and get a wrench out and or wire brush out and do that, and then you can touch that.
Fair enough.
Oh, what the heck are all these ferry tools doing in my trunk? Holy crap.
Well, while you're playing almost a mechanic, you gotta do actually something to put food on the table.
So we do have a electric one of these. Brush on a grinder at home, or done with shot. We are at home, but just trying to figure ferry. Why don't? Oh, hang on. There are the rats right in here. Holy crap! There's a rats in my trunk too. Who would have thought that? I know all these rats. You also have a file on the edge. Like I said, just like. If you're wondering why I'm obsessed with this, because every brake pad I buy needs to be adjusted to make them slide correctly. And being almost a mechanic, I take the time to adjust them. It's also nice to clean this out. Just got my truck back from and worked on it, and one of those friggin' pads is hung off a little bit. Phew. Man. Oh, man, look at that freaking thing. So that's cleaned up a lot better than it was. A lot better when you get a chain freaking mechanic shop. So that's cleaned up. That little hit this with a hammer and see how that's all.
Yeah.
You can grab a hammer for me quick. Break some more of that crap off. Tried 100 mechanics watching. You know, all this is unnecessary. I should have just changed the parts and put a brand new one of these on.
Well, that's the difference between it being your vehicle and someone else's vehicle.
Yeah. Alright, I'll grab that thing. Oh, that's right, chickies. Take some gloves off. Whew. Look how dirty they are. You know, contaminate my phone with that.
Here's the secret. For those dirty gloves, so people don't know how dirty your gloves are, you just wear black gloves. That way that's just a little smarter. Alright, now, like we were saying, we're gonna file this. On the outside edge, I already got the majority file, but due to where the hanger or whatever that's called, I couldn't get right here, so just gonna.
And just so all you people know, you can take these off and take them to a shop and go turn them down and all that good stuff. Here's the thing, we're gonna order new. These pads need to be changed today. These pads are shot. They are a safety hazard on the highway. So we have to change the pads today. We're going to order new rotors, and they should be here in 2 or 3 days. So this is a temporary fix to a problem. Or if you're poor and you can't afford to have your rotors changed, I guess you could do this, but no of us. We're just doing this to document ring off so it doesn't destroy the new pads in the next 2 or 3 days. Well, he's driving to work and all those fun things, and but like I said, he's just trying to knock that ring of rust off so it doesn't destroy the new. In the old days, he used to, all I do is bang on that with a hammer and bang it off. I mean, the problem with that is you can actually warp the rotor doing that.
Alright, that's the outside. Now I gotta finish the inside.
Which we'll pause it because it's the same thing as this. I don't know how this goes back down, motherfucker.
Seriously.
You ready?
Yep, we're recording. Yep.
So did you get that?
I don't know how to put this back together. Yep.
Good. I don't. I'm going to take things apart. I'm very good at putting them back together. I usually leave by now for the tavern and let somebody else figure it out. I got parts scattered all over. Like, what? No. That would be funny. Go celebrate St. Patrick's Day 365 days a year. What?
No, I mean, you're not wrong.
So now we're putting this mountain bracket back on. Ah! So you just gonna get the wrench work, or you getting my shenanigans too?
I'm getting most of the wrench work, but I can't stand up and get your shenanigans. They didn't know which was more important.
Well, I mean, as long as they can see overall the video, because I mean, you can actually zoom a video in, believe it or not.
Oh, really?
You can actually zoom videos, yeah. Modern day technology. Oh man. Oh, that's what I did. I grab. Yeah. I grabbed the caliper pusher. I don't think that's going to push him with my bare hands. No, and I actually do have the right tool. So pause the video and I'll be back in. Yeah.
Alright. Here we are using the caliper pusher, whatever you call them, piece to compress my caliper back into place.
That sucker's been out for a long time. Sucker really does not want to go back. Oh, you can see that sucker. Oh my goodness.
Slowly get them compressed.
Yeah. Oh. This little handle piece isn't very good. Now I got heard a lot of crap last time I did a video of this and used a wrench. A lot of people not happy. Here I got a wrench that's bigger if I go get a crescent wrench. Problem with that little handle is just can't get my leverage on it. Oh, so I gotta turn this the opposite way, right?
Believe so.
But with a wrench, you get more leverage. I didn't realize before you comment, you're supposed to be using that little handle. Oh my goodness. Even with leverage, it's 100% operating. Back to off a little bit. Let me just pause the video for a second.
Rolling.
Alright, we're gonna see if that's as far as it goes. Maybe that's just as far as it goes, and I'm just trying to take it too far. Oh, yeah, that's gonna. Right. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Yeah, maybe that's just okay. Maybe I'm just. Of course, I guess I did not need that on there. Yeah, way ahead of myself. Let's get this back off here. Way ahead of myself. That's what a show's called, Almost Mechanic. I didn't know you're supposed to have a little hanger thing. Yeah. It's almost like I read the comments. There you go. So you got inner and an outer. So are they both the same? These two have the same number. The rest got the same number, so we're all the same. I do know one is. One's got thick. Okay, so they're both exactly the same that way too. Okay, let's get the new 10s out. How good he try clean things up. Supposed to snap right up in there like that. Oh. Here. Snap right in there like that. This is gonna fit.
If we're gonna have to tweak them a bit.
Yeah, let's do a side we can see. Right?
Yep.
This side we can see. Wow, that was slid right in, didn't it?
Yep.
Of course, we did clean the bracket too, so that probably didn't hurt on the situation. Trying to get the back one in.
Well, it's fighting.
No, you can't see very well. Screwdriver. Yeah, that went better. Let's try a different one just out of curiosity. You got that's empty. This is one of these ones. This is one of these ones. That's perfectly here. try to pause the video while I wait. Man, as soon as the camera was off, it fell right in. So just wanted me just wanted to make me look like an a-hole. Apparently, it's always nice, right?
Yep.
Just like being in a relationship. I get a bunch of hate comments from that. Easy for you to say with your privileged life. I wish I had a relationship.
It's like you can tell the future.
Look, I read the comments like I said. That might not be the right path right here. Have to take this guy off, put on the other side. Because with that there, it won't. Oh, the caliper won't go on. When I say it's always something, I am not lying to people. It's always something. Now this one won't go in. Watch that trick.
At least you have a sense of humor.
So that must have to go on my backside, maybe,
Yeah.
because it interferes on this side. But there's only one with that thing on it, which is weird. I thought there'd be two.
Yeah.
One for each side, but guess you only get one. And a simple thing like that, boom. Going back together. Best part about this, we can retake it apart in a few days too.
Change my rotor.
Change the rotor.
Yeah, I buy those online. All the local places I see charge them pretty pricey.
So like I said, that was how you clean it off when you're in a bind. Ah. Not recommending anybody else do that. Back in the day, we used to do it all the time. Well, like I said, the show is called Almost Mechanic, Not Legal Advice to Use. Not doing the same crap on the other side. I'm gonna bore you to tears with that video.
Because this video's already 22 minutes long. What, we in the beginning of making a Marvel movie?
You would think so, but that is how you clean the rust off the rotor, clean the caliper bracket so the riders fit back in properly and everything slips right back in together nice. And get your new brake pads on. Like I said, gonna have to rechange them. And no, I wouldn't put new pads on old pair of rotors if you're gonna wait 3 months to change your rotors, because then your pads will be ruined. But anyways, thank you for watching. This is an episode of Almost a Mechanic. So just remember, like, subscribe, and all that good crap, and we'll see you later.